Hey there, Gary. So I wanted to show you this. What I do when I use my masking tape. I like to keep as much pressure off the window when I'm delivering it to someone, so I always put a little tab at the end, so it's easy to pick up. But this is what this is going to look like. I'll have some glass here. I'm just going to check my visual. And then what I do is I just go down, run it over, and do it at the top. And you can see how it holds on really nicely there. So when you go to undo it, I'm going to do this. So it's nice and like that. And then the next piece will be rolled tight, right? So I pick this up. So this is nice and tight, right? And then this piece will have two pieces of tape here. This is a little shorter than I would like to use, but this is really just for demonstration purposes. So this will go like this. This will come up here, and you can see I'm keeping this nice and tight and over the top like that. And then so on and so on. And eventually what you'll end up with is, you can see how nicely this rolls up, right? Eventually what you'll end up with is this. So this last piece, again, each piece is taped individually, and I'm going to show you so that they don't do this, right? Each piece is taped individually. The panel is nice and tight. It's nice and squishy. It's got plenty of room for cushioning. So when you get your panel, your blind, right? You're going to find that it looks like this. So what I want you to do is I want you to unroll it, remove the tape. Whoop, can you see that? I'm sorry. I want you to unroll it. Let me put this back. I want you to unroll it, remove the tape. It's not going to be hard. Roll it a little further. Remove the tape from this one because these will be taped, right? And then what I want you to do is I want you to just lay it out like this while you are unrolling it. Just pull these pieces straight while you take the tape off. And when you're done, you'll have the blind laying flat, and I'm going to show you how to pick it up.